So welcome back to the another YouTube video. Today in this video we are going to be talking about a new app where you can make money by just shop or deal with the online brands or your favorite grocery or online stores. So the app name is Rakuten. Rakuten, you actually earn money for making online or even in store purchases. Yes, they will send a check to your mailbox, and just because you click through the Rakuten before you buy something. I know what you're thinking. This might be a joke, but I can hands down promise you that's it 100% legit. Let's dive into how Rakuten works, if it's really worth it, and how to maximize the money you earn. To get started, you will have to sign up for the Rakuten. You can do that here. Want to know something super cool? Once you make your first purchase to the Rakuten, they are going to give a $10 gift. However, how great is that? It's literally free money. Rakuten is a site where you can earn cash back at over 2,500 amazing online stores. They have large stores such as Target, Kohl's, Walmart, Amazon, and many more. All you have to do is log in to your Rakuten account and click through the store you want to shop. Rakuten will send you directly store's website and shop to check out like normal. Once you have made your purchase, Rakuten is notified from the store and they add money to your account. Then every 3 months, you are sent a check for all your earning. It's crazy easy to use, and I'm not going to lie, it feels like a Christmas morning when your check arrives. I love using the extra money to treat myself. Once you realize how glorious Rakuten is, you will want to make sure you maximize the money that you can earn. Here are the 3 things you need to start doing now to see your earnings skyrocket. What's great about this button is that you don't have to go through Rakuten websites first. Indeed, the button will let you know if there is a cashback available at a store you are shopping. Also, it will automatically apply any coupons at checkout. It's like you're having your own personal shopping assistants who help you find the best deals. And Rakuten now has an app that give us the freedom to easily earn cashback when you're ready to buy something online simply through the app. First, what's great is that they even have exclusive offer app users. It means that you will get the best of the best that Rakuten can give you for the intense. You can earn cashback for the light rides, and plus you can manage your entire account through the app. Refer your friend and will pay you to share how awesome they are. This is by far many for my favorite way to earn money because it literally costs you nothing just by sharing Rakuten with your friends and family. With they will get a $10 gift, and Rakuten will thank you for adding $25 to your account. Say it with me, everyone wins. I can tell you that not many companies have this incredible perk. So Rakuten pays out every 3 months. They give a time to rack up some extra money. They will either send you a physical check or deposit money directly into your PayPal account. Either way, you are getting the money that you earn. Here is the most important questions for you. What are you going to do with the extra money that you can? I will plan to get a personal or and I hope you enjoy this video. Leave a like and subscribe my channel for upcoming future videos. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.